Why? Sakit ng ulo. Okay, dumako naman tayo sa ating grammar check. Pag-usapan nga natin itong salitang equipment. Tama ba na sabihin o isulat na equipments, may S, kung nais na gamitin ito bilang plural? Well, the word equipment, ladies and gentlemen, is an example of a mass or uncountable noun. These nouns are treated as singular and do not have a plural form. It is wrong to say equipments. Wala pong S. Okay, anong example natin dyan, Glenn? Nasa screen po, no? Mali po ito. Most of our office equipments are new. Sa halip, ang tama po is most of our office equipment is new. Okay, eto pa yung ibang mga example ng mga mass nouns. Remember not to add an extra S. Huwag nyo lalagyan ng S to, ha? Okay, yung bedding. May nagsasabi niyan, okay na ba yung beddings mo? Pero mga ganun pag may mga camping o hiking. Can you, very confident pa, sasabihin, can you give me feedbacks? Lalagyan pa ng S yung feedback. Kaya niya na-realize na nagkamali siya, napagtawa na, naging laughing stock na. Okay, footage. Ginawa pang footages, Glenn, ha? Footages. Furniture. Pwede mong sabihin yung furniture, 2 pieces of furniture. Pero sabihin mong furnitures, hindi. Set na yan Okay? Yung hair, siguro, yung isang strand, okay yun. Pero yung sabihin mong hairs, ay maling-mali. Okay? Spaghetti, okay na yan. Advice, you know what? Ang dami mong problema. I'll give you advices. Many advices, ha? Ganun pang ginawa. Ha? Lalo pang adding insult to injury pa, ha? I'll give you many advices. Sabihin mo na lang pieces of advice. Okay? Coffee. You like, I have a lot of coffees here. Coffees. Coffees daw, Glenn, ha? Coffees. Coffees Barako. Coffee na lang. Or homework, di ba? Information. Yan. Huwag nyo lalagyan ng S yan. Money. Bakit? Lalagyan mo ng S yung money. Meron bang binibilang na 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money, 5 money? Wala namang ganun di ba? Okay. Yung soap, yung stuff, dapat yung S-T-U-F-F kung spell. Ang hardware ay wala pong S. Housework. Jewelry, okay na yan. Uncountable noun yan. Luggage. News. Hindi nyo gagawin newses, ha? Yung scenery, magandang tanawin, software, thunder, at saka weather. Pakitandaan po ninyo yan. Dumako tayo sa ating mga redundancies.